So you want to create a YouTube channel, but you just don't know where to start. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start from scratch a brand new YouTube channel and how you should set it up properly. So take a look at the computer screen right now. I already have YouTube pulled up. So that's the very first thing you'll want to do is open up YouTube. And then on the top right-hand side, you can see where it says sign in. You're just going to want to click sign in. It's going to bring you over to Google. So for those of you who don't know, Google owns YouTube, right? So right now you could either sign in with a current Google account, or you could click create account, which is what I recommend. So you're going to click create account. It says for myself, for my child, or to manage my business. Those are the three options. Most people will instinctively click for myself. But I highly recommend you click to manage my business. Even if you don't already have a business yet, the goal is for us to start YouTube as a business, right? And the reason you want to click the to manage my business, this allows for if you ever start to grow or scale this business, you could allow other people access to your YouTube. Like, so maybe you have a video editor or something like that, somebody that creates your thumbnails, whatever it may be, they'll be able to have access to your YouTube channel without having access to your Google account, right? So they don't have to get your private information for like your email address and your passwords, right? So go ahead and click to manage my business. And now it's going to bring you to the create your Google account page. Right here is where you're going to put in your personal information, right? This is not the same as the information that will be displayed on YouTube, right? Because now that you clicked create a YouTube business or an account for business, you'll be able to brand your channel to whatever brand you want, right? It won't have to be your personal name. So right here, I would just put in my name, and then if you have an email address already, you could put it right here. If you don't have an email address and you want to create a new email address, you could just click create a new Gmail address instead. So we're going to do that for the sake of this video. And now it's going to let us create a new Gmail address. So let's just say I want to use my name. And if I type my name in and I click off of the box, you'll see it says that username is taken, try another. They'll give you some suggested ones right below it, or you can start to add numbers, whatever you see fit. If you already know the name of your business, maybe you could try that. Whatever you want to put here, right? We're not going to get into too much detail, but I'm just going to say Austin Becker test, and let's see if that works. And it does work. So you can see that it's no longer flagged. And now I could just go ahead and create a password. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Once you have your password in, you could just hit next. Now it's going to ask for your phone number and then the recovery email address. This does not have to be a Google email address. This will just be your primary email address just in case you ever get locked out of your account or they need verification or anything like that. So go ahead and fill this out and I'll see you on the next. So now you're on the verify your phone number page. It's going to ask you to verify your phone number. You could hit send or not now. Let's just go ahead and hit send. Now it wants you to get the verification code that was sent to your phone. Go ahead and put that in and hit verify. Now you can get more from your number. I recommend you just skip this right now. Just go ahead and skip. Privacy and terms. You're just going to want to read through this. Scroll to the bottom once you're done reading, and you're going to have to select I agree. Now it's going to ask if you're ready to start creating your business profile. That's not what we want to do in this video. We want to focus on setting up your YouTube. So you can just hit not now, and it brings you right back to YouTube. So now if you take a look at the top right-hand side where it said sign in, it now has a little favicon. It's a little profile image. Mine's just the letter A for the first letter of my name. And if I was to click that, you'll see my account. We just created this Austin Becker test at Gmail, and we have all of our information right here. So one of the very first things you're going to want to do is click YouTube Studio, and it's going to say how you'll appear. You could upload a picture. So if you want to go ahead and upload a picture, click this, and then you can upload a picture from your profile. Let's just say I want to drag and drop this here and hit open and hit done. I've uploaded my picture. I can name my channel right here. By clicking create channel, you agree to the terms. So let's just say, we'll just use my, well, I already have an Austin Becker channel. I don't want to do it again. This is finance, and hit create channel. Welcome to the YouTube studio. Now we are into the YouTube studio. This is where all of your analytics, your content, and everything reside. But now you can start uploading videos and stuff. But real quick, I just want to click settings and I want to look at something where it says channel. You're going to want to click channel. You're going to want to click feature eligibility. And then right here where it says features that require phone verification, if you just hit this drop down menu, it'll show you videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, appealing content ID claims. So this is very important. Everybody here is going to want to do this right away. So all you have to do this though is verify the phone number that we've verified with Google, right? We also want to verify your phone number over here on YouTube. So I'm just going to hit verify phone number. And it's going to say text me or call me. I just want them to text me. So I'm gonna put in my phone number and get the code. So I hit get code. It's going to send me a 6-digit verification. Here it is. I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna hit submit. Phone number verified. Congratulations, your phone number is now verified. So what I'm gonna do now is just exit off of this page. I'm in the dashboard and you can see it now says enabled. So now I'm good to go. I could do my thumbnails. I could do everything like that. This is your dashboard inside of the YouTube studio of your account. So when you go to account, I'm in my YouTube studio right now. And this is what it looks like. This is where my content resides, my playlists, my analytics and stuff like that. I'll make another video with all of that information. So go ahead and subscribe and smash that like button if this has been helpful so far. And then from here, you'll just want to upload your video and stuff like that, right? But we do want to also talk about your channel a little bit, right? If you go to your channel, this is where you have like your channel banner and your profile and stuff like that. So right here at the top where it says customize channel, you could customize your channel right here in the YouTube Creator Studio. Oh, it brought us right back to the studio into customization, right? Here we could do like branding. You could change your banner image, the banner across the top. You could just upload it right here. And then if you want a video watermark on the bottom right-hand corner, you could also do that as well. And then your profile picture here as well. So that's pretty much everything you need. If you don't know how to create a banner, you could just jump over to canva.com. Oh, that's not how you spell it. Canva, CANVA.com. And it's a free little editor. You go over here to where it says templates, right? Just click templates and then it will have, or just hover over design and you'll see YouTube, social media and video. It says YouTube. You can just do YouTube, start video, not video editing. We want an image. We want a template of the, we want our, just type in YouTube here. YouTube banner, YouTube channel art, and then just click plus, and then you could create your banner right here inside of Canva. It's totally free. It's a drag and drop editor. They have elements on the left hand side. They got text. You could drag and drop images and stuff like that. So you could make a pretty nice banner for absolutely free. You just got go look at other people in your niche, kind of get some inspiration from other people and create a banner that you think will flow with your audience or fit well with your niche, right? So I really hope you like this video. If you need more videos on actually uploading, going through the dashboard and anything like that, just leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button for me and also that like button to help get this video out there. I appreciate everybody being here. We will see you in the next video.